Okay, this is just a proof of concept, but because this system transmits single-digit numeric messages to a receiver, the messages being 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, and that's how a one-way voice link or a number station works. This could be used as a secure one-way, with a one-time pad system. So I'm going to do a quick demo here. Got my notepad. Alright, so we'll do 5-digit strings. Say we wanted this group. And we know that it transmits for redundancy. So we can transmit 2 bursts, hit cancel, and transmit the next digit. We could say 0 is a break digit or a pause. Alright, there's another 0. Okay. Now we could say we'll do string number 3. Alright. Does it end at group digit 0? Okay, and then for say end of message, you could have a prearranged code. We'll call that 909 after 0. Okay, so this would end, this would just be, these are just the end of message digits. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, 5-digit groups. This is just what I made up at the moment for the end of transmission message. So some kind of repeating digits, or you could say 464646 or 05050505, or something like that. You could say 7 5 7 5, and that means something else. So or you could have it, just so 0 and these all mean something. But if you use a one-time pad system, or however you group this, you can set it up however you want. It does appear that let's say we'll do message 1. Turn it on. Alright, let's say I do message 1 again. It's not going to show me that one again. So you have to have a different digit, so you can't say 1 transmit and then the next digit also be 1. It has to be different digits, so you'd have to do 1 transmit. I'll let it transmit. Say 1 transmit. And then 0, or whatever your space digit is. let's just see what happens if we all message 0. Let's just leave it on. For a whole cycle. I think this is a new cycle. It's not going to register that as a new message. Oh, yes, it is. Okay. So it does. It will. Okay, so I can just send 0 over and over again. And it's just to go through an entire cycle. It's repeating the same message over and over again. I could just start another cycle. This is kind of a cool concept, anyway. I mean, it's kind of clunky. It take a long time to transmit a message, unless you, you know, obviously predetermine what's a, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit sequence of numbers means. I mean, you've got 10 possible messages. You increase it to 2 digits. 3 digits, you know, you're looking at, you can easily get up to hundreds, thousands of different messages. You could encrypt it, so you have a true one-time pad, or you could do a, a simpler substitution cipher. where say 2 digits or 3 digits mean a different letter of the alphabet, a character, or a predetermined message. So these things can be bought on eBay for real cheap. This is a cool concept. So I'm glad I got the pager operational, and by operational I mean I put batteries in it. But yeah, there you have it. What did it just flash at me? Zero, 006. Excuse me. Yeah, there she is.